How to back up your files in Windows 11. Avoid the loss of files in Windows 11 by enabling File History and backing up your files to another drive. You can back up your files to a removable drive or to the OneDrive online storage. You need a Microsoft account to set up OneDrive on your computer. To back up files to an external storage device, connect a removable drive to your computer. In Windows 11, click the Search button. Enter File History in the search field. Select File History to launch File History in the control panel. File History is turned off by default at launch. Click the Turn On button to enable File History. Click Run now to start copying the files to the removable drive. The File History folder containing all your saved files will now be available on the removable drive. You can also back up your files to OneDrive. In Windows 11, click the Start button and select Settings from the results. Alternately, you can use the Windows key +I shortcut to get to System Settings. In the System Settings page, select the Storage option. From the Storage Management section, select Advanced Storage Settings. In the Advanced Storage Settings section, select Backup options. The Windows Backup page in the Account setting displays and allows you to back up your files to the OneDrive online storage. To access your apps from any of your devices connected to OneDrive, make sure that the On button in Remember My Apps is enabled. This option is enabled by default. If you want your files to be accessible across all your devices, click the drop-down arrow beside the On button in Remember My Preferences. All the options for the password, language preferences, and other Windows settings are enabled by default. To disable an option, click the check to the left of the option. Alternately, if you do not want your files to be accessible from other devices, click the On button in Remember My Preferences to set it to off. To sync your folders in OneDrive, select the Manage Sync Settings button in the OneDrive folder syncing. The Manage Folder Backup displays. Click Got It to start the syncing of your folders in OneDrive. Click the Playlist tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.